Did someone say cold start?
Mistakes, don't mean to come off haughty. I'm just an imperfect person in this imperfect world, but I'm learning my way under this maze that I'm running through. Now when I think of you, I'm falling to your picture of you.
God, shit like a cholo in here. Make sure it's in neutral. Now, if I remember how to start this thing, right there. What's up, guys? How's it going? I'm back with another video about the Duramax, or mod on the Duramax. Today we are going to get rid of this and installing a mesh insert. Now, from what I know so far, is basically we gotta cut it all the way around. Shouldn't be too hard, but I don't know. I'll let you guys know. Anyways, let's get to it. There's snow on the hood. What the hell? Okay, let's see. It's gonna be cold. Got Phillips. That fucker is gone. What the fuck happened to that thing? I don't know. Sucker is gone. Alright, I'll get this thing out and then I'll show you guys when it's on the ground. see. This is cardboard now. Flip this over. Y'all might be wondering, why am I cutting up this nice grill to put that in? Well, if you consider nice cracked, then I guess you're right. I don't know what I'm doing then. But anyways, that'd actually be a good idea. Take the badge off and put it on there. We'll see. So as far as I know, basically you cut basically the line out, which looks like a pain in the butt to do. But hey, gotta do what you gotta do, I guess. So I'm gonna start cutting. If it takes too long, I'll just probably skim through it, so you guys don't have to sit there and watch me do this. But yeah, I'll be back when I start cutting it. I'll show you guys how it's done. Now, we just got this side to do yet. Where did I put it? Right there? Okay. So, thank you. So basically, kind of just got a rough estimate where your cut's gonna be. You guys, I know you guys can't see that. But basically, well, since it's so cold right now, you guys are probably wondering, why don't I just use the air compressor? Well, it's so cold right now, the moisture that's in the air compressor from pushing it all the way through, it freezes by the time it hits there. So that's done for. So we gotta use this thing with the crookedest blade that you could find. But basically all you gotta do, if you want to install a grill insert like that, gotta go around, cut everything out. This is rough, but I'm gonna clean it up once it's all said and done. But basically you can see my marks right there, kind of like guidelines, and basically that should be the last thing I gotta do. And then after that I gotta clean it all up, then get ready to put that insert in. But yeah, I'll show you guys that. So yeah, stay tuned.
I'm in danger.
She's a rock one. Well guys, after a good hour and a half or so, I finally got that out, and I started working on, oh god, that is messed up. I might have to rethink that. So I got this far. Yes, it broke. Pieces right there. Broke off. Oh, just anyways, so this is how it looks. You guys are probably saying, well, what the heck is this? Well, they make these little handy dandy little chrome pieces that I still have to figure out how the hell to put on, but they basically just go right there. They hide it. But yeah, so I gotta figure out how to do those. Pretty sure this is for this side. I think something like that. And these studs are supposed to drill through that, and I'm guessing you just put a nut on them. Well, as you guys can tell, that broke off. So I'm probably not going to put these on for the time being until I get a new grill. But for now, I'm going to try to figure out how to get that back on. And as you guys can tell, my hack job kind of got over itself. But I need to fix that. It's like on both sides. And yeah, it's not fully clipped in yet. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this. I think it looks pretty good. Hold on, let's see here. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Okay, hood is, I think it's, okay, no, it's not shut all the way. But yeah, that looks pretty dope. Not gonna lie, pretty cool. So yeah, I'm gonna fix this so it doesn't stick out so far. Well, if you guys are wondering if you guys should buy this grill insert, well, be honest with you, no. It's a pain in the ass. But if you guys really don't want to spend what, $1,300 on a full grill like this, then yes, that's kind of why I did it. But yeah, I'm gonna go through and clean this up now. I'm gonna fix the grill. Probably gonna take this inside and glue it back together or something, figure out what to do with that. And yeah. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. And I'll be right back. Well guys, there we go, we got it. Good. Fix this thing. It's not falling off now. Now, since we got it all back together, let's see. There you guys go. Looking pretty. Better than that. I am going to take the badge off this and probably going to repaint it and put it back on. But for now, I kind of like it. I might actually get like that main event emblem that says Duramax. Might get that. Not too sure. What do you guys think? What's y'all's thoughts on it? I think it looks pretty sick, not gonna lie. But yeah. Let's get some B-roll.
Right, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Did someone say cold start? Well, shoot, let me get this bread. I think she's cold. She's a little bit cold, you know. Get a little foggy. See all that smoke from this house right here?
I've been up for 3 nights. My eyes are bloodshot red. Damn, I wanna see the sunshine. It's getting to my head. One look in the mirror, don't like what I find. I know that somewhere in there there's a good guy, but he runs away at midnight. He runs away. I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my arm.
Well, guys, I think it's gonna be it. Let me know what you guys think about that new grill. I like it. If you guys don't, you love it, you hate it, I don't know. But she runs now. Not that it didn't run before, but at least it's good to know that it runs now. But anyways, guys, as always, please like, subscribe for more content. This smoke is burning my eyes. But yeah, as always, see you guys in the next one.